Are you dead tired of apartment living and you crave to own your own home? You think to yourself, maybe it's time to get out of here. So alone you wander the neighborhoods in search of that perfect home. You've roamed the internet endlessly looking for listings. You attend every open house in town. But no matter how much you search, you just keep running into a wall. Maybe it's time to ask a dedicated realtor for a little help. With my extensive knowledge, I'll help you navigate the real estate world, and I won't stop till I find you a home. And now that you have that out of the way, you have time for more important things in life. Hi everyone, I am Craig Powell, and I am your Greater Moncton Realtor.